The same force is applied on different objects, the change in momentum is the same. In SI system, the unit of force is Newton N. The force necessary to cause an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in an object of mass 1 kg is called 1 Newton. 1 Newton equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. In CGS system, the unit of force is a dyne. Dyne, the force necessary to cause an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square is an object of mass 1 gram is called 1 dyne. 1 dyne equal to 1 gram into 1 centimeter per second square. Use your brain power. Why is there a thick bed of sand for a high jumper to fall on after his jump? Answer. In a high jump athlete event, the athletes are made to fall on a thick bed of sand. As the sand is loose, it slides when an athlete falls on it. This increases the time taken by the athlete to come to rest on making a jump. Therefore, there is a decrease in the rate of change of momentum and hence the force on the athlete. This reduces the risk of injury to the athlete. Newton's third law of motion. Let's try this. Inflate a balloon and fix it on the hole in the boat. Release the boat in water. What happens to the boat as the air in the balloon escapes slowly? Why? Answer. As the air in the balloon escapes slowly, the boat moves in the opposite direction. This is due to the force exerted by the air on the boat. The force applied by the first object is called action force, while the force applied by the second object on the first is called reaction force. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which acts simultaneously. Use your brain power. Question 1. While hitting a ball with a bat, the speed of the bat decreases. Answer. The bat exerts a force on the ball. Action. The ball exerts a force of equal magnitude but opposite in direction on the bat at the same time. Reaction. Hence the speed of the bat decreases. Question 2. A gun recoils, that is moves backward when a bullet is fired. Answer. The gun exerts a force on the bullet. Action. The bullet at the same time exerts a force of equal magnitude but opposite in direction on the gun, hence the gun recoils. Question 3. Mechanism of firing of a rocket. How will you explain this with the help of Newton's third law of motion? Launching of a rocket is based on Newton's third law of motion. When the fuel in the rocket is ignited, it burns as a result of chemical reaction and the compressed hot gases are thrown out with a tremendous force in the downward direction through a small opening in the tail of the rocket. At the same time, the escaping gases exert an equal in magnitude and opposite in direction force of reaction on the rocket in the upward direction. As this force is greater than the net downward force in magnitude due to gravity and air resistance, the velocity of rocket increases as it moves upward. Law of